Okay, we have this toilet here. It's got a crack in it. The handle's fallen apart. There's damage across the porcelain here, and it just doesn't work the way it used to. So we're going to be replacing this unit out with this Delta unit that we have right here. And these are the tools I'm going to use to start. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little container to catch some water. So I'm just going to cut the bottom part of this. Okay, I'm going to put this under here so I can, when I shut off the water supply, I'm going to flush this. Okay, we still got some water in the bowl, so I'm going to see if I can plunge some of this down. See, there's a little bit of water still left. That's why I have this little mini bucket over here. Alright, there's a connector up here. This guy as well. Have this work like a funnel. But there's a little knob here, and to pull this stack out, you gotta twist this off. Alright, that means there's not much holding this in place now. So I'm going to put my little funnel right here. And that's how you can use a milk jug to make this job a lot easier. So this step right here is not really required, but I actually want to take this top bucket off so I can replace it in two parts. Take it off in two parts. I'll take this off and take this off, and it should make it a lot easier for me to remove this. Make sure you're holding the top part still. I'm just going to use this putty knife like a screwdriver to hold that down. One. Now we have the top part out of the way. Next is we're going to take these off. 13 will do it. We'll get this side. There we go. All right. So now there's really nothing holding this toilet in. Get this garbage bag ready. So I'm going to have this ready just to make things easier. Pack it away. Now we got our old wax ring that we need to take away. Alright, so now we're going to take some time to pull off this old wax ring.
Once you have the wax ring off, you can take out the old bolts that were holding the toilet in.
Alright, now we want to reverse the process to get the new toilet in, but first we got to make sure that all of the parts that we need are in there. Alright, now we can install our new base bolts. Alright, now we can get to our base. And to prepare our base, we're going to take our wax ring. We're actually going to place it on the toilet. We're not going to place it right there. We can do it on this toilet for a better fit. Like this. Okay. There's our holes. We're going to do it. Grab right on the sides here. Once you got your screws in each of the holes, you just want to press down. That will set the seal. Okay, and then we can put our screw caps on. We just want to screw those on there. You want to do that on both sides. You just do it by hand. Okay, all right, now we can go to our upper tank, and we can see it's already built up for us. I'm actually going to take these off now. Came with them screwed on. All right, so then we want to grab this ring, this gasket ring. If it doesn't go flush right away, just go ahead and put that gasket right on there yourself. Alright, now I'm going to screw these guys in. Both sides, and we can tighten them at the same time so that they tighten, the bowl tightens evenly. You're going to know that you did a good job if you can't wiggle it and it's tight across all the porcelain parts. Alright, we're coming around the home stretch. We want to put the seat on next, and we just put these on as a unit from underneath, so it'll click in to the screws once you have it in the right spot, and you can just tighten it by hand underneath. Okay, we have our seat, and it goes down. It's a gentle lower seat. Once that's done, clip these down, and that's done. Final thing is to hook up the water supply. Okay. All right, the last step is to put the lid on. But I'm going to wait to do that because I want to watch to make sure all the internals are working once I turn the water supply on. So we're going to start. All right, let's test our flush. Looks good to me. So with that looking like it's working, I'm going to pull this tape off here. drop our lid on top. And there we go. We have fully set up a new toilet. The only thing left to do is trash the old one.